Hey friends, this is Sam from Team X, and today we're going to talk about robots. If you don't know about the competition this robot's designed for, then I'll leave a link in the description below. I highly suggest watching that, so watch it now. Okay, so I believe that you guys have all watched it, and now that you know what it is, our design is designed to put the mobile goals into the 10 and 20 point zones. That is what this is based for. Let's get into my 3D model. So this 3D model, all these gray things is metal, just metal. These four green things are wheels. They're very wheel-like, so I hope that's obvious. These blue things are motors, and these things are gears. I hope those are kind of obvious that those are gears too. And that is basically the design. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty stuff. This is our chassis. Our chassis is the bottom part of the robot. I call it a chassis. You don't have to. And in our chassis, we have four wheels. These will be traction wheels, so base for traction, kind of getting a grip on the ground. And these are four motors. Each wheel attached to a motor, so it's a four-wheel drive. Each motor is supposed to be a torque motor. Torque kind of is the raw horsepower in a motor. A torque motor can push harder, while a speed motor can push faster, if that makes sense. So, as you notice, there's a metal bar on each side of the wheel. These two metal bars on each side will basically help the wheel be the best supported, and it will prevent the axles from bending. Then I have these two things, which I will call my mounting plates, where I can mount things onto, and these two called supporting plates. So that is the basics of my chassis. Let's go back and look at the lift. This is a chain bar lift. I have two chain bar lifts. This whole thing is two chain bar lifts, and it has four torque motors attached to it. So it is meant to lift up those heavy mobile goals. I have gear, so a motor connects to a gear, and the gear turns, and the gear is connected to the metal, so the metal will lift. So as the gear turns, the metal lifts up like this, in an arc shape. Then I have those gears attached to gears down here, which as it lifts will make this flat bar stay level so nothing will fall off it as it lifts. That's the idea of a chain bar lift. I have the two different chain bar lifts connected through various metal pieces over here, keeping them sturdy and together so they support each other. Okay, so this is the basic design of my robot, but trust me, there is probably going to be lots of other stuff in this robot. We are going to have probably a counterweight back here, or something that will stack the cones so we can score points that way. This, as I said, is very preliminary, so we are very open to advice in the comments. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you would like to see me build something like this in real life, then subscribe. And if you want to talk to us, give advice, or want to know how this is built, or just want to ask us anything, tell us anything, just leave a comment, and I'm sure we will get to you soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.